2015 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: premium wheels, OnStar, heated seats, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, front. Your new ride is just a phone call away.